Hello Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the last Sudoku of today's newspaper on Saturday, August the 8th, 2020. Yes, the last one is a tectonic one. A tectonic, a.k.a. Suguru in Japanese. And this one will be number 15. So let's get started. Can we see here the single box in this big square? In this tectonic, yes, I see the single box. This should be a 1. Do we have dual boxes? Yeah, dual box. 1 and a 2. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Do we have more dual boxes? No, I see here a triple box. The 1 and the 3 are left. Let me mark them. Where's my pencil? Yes, the 1 or the 3. 1 or the 3. Yes. So we have a 2 here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here or could be there. We have a 1 here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. We have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. I cannot place the 1 here. Otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be there. We have a 1 here. So this should be a 3. And this should be a 1. Then these 2 boxes should be reserved for the 3 and a 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1 and this should be the 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. A triple box, 1 and a 2. Let me mark them, 1 and a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or could be there. This box cannot be a 3, so that box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. This box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box should be the 5. We have a 2 here, that means these 4 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That means these 2 boxes could be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be in one of these 2 boxes. We have a 3 here, that means these 3 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be in one of those 2 boxes. Dual box, the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order. We have a 4 here, that means these 3 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 boxes cannot be a 5 because we have a 5 here. So 5 goes in there. The 1 and the 2 goes here. That means this box cannot be 1 or the 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. I cannot place the 2 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. That means these 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. The 1 and the 4 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 boxes left. 1, 2, the 3 and the 4 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Ooh. So these 2 boxes left for the 2 should be here or there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. Yeah. Alright. These 2, yeah. Let's see. I see. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. 1, 2. 5, 2, 3. This box could. This box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. This box is a 4. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in one of those 2 boxes. And that means this box cannot be a 1. Should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, 2 or 5. This box should be 2 or 5. One of these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes in those 2 boxes together with the 3. So I eliminated the 4 because it's up here. So the 4 is only placed here. So we have here the 2 and the 5 as up here. That means this box cannot be 2 or 5. So it's a 1 or 3. Yeah, 3. Definitely. This box cannot be 1 or 3. Cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4. So it must be a 5. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 3. One or 2, 1 or 3. This box cannot be a 1, 3, 5. So it's a 2 or 4. 2 or 4. This box cannot be 1 or 2. 3, 4, 5. 1, 1. This is the difficult part. You need to think logical. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. But I cannot place the 1 here. I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 cannot be here. The only place for the 1 should be here. Yes. Alright. That means these two boxes cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 5, the 5 could be here or could be there. So 1, 4, 5 cannot be here. So it's a 2 or 3. Could be here. 2 or 3. Well. Here cannot be a 2. Here cannot be a 2. So these two boxes could be a 2. Because I need a 2 in one of those two boxes. I cannot place a 2 here. Same story with here. 2, 2. If I place 2 here, then this should be the 2. And now 2, 5. So this cannot be 2, 5. 1, 3, 4, 5. This should be 1 or 3. 1, 2, 3. This box could be 3 or 5. Yeah. Difficult part. We have a 2 here. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 1. This should be the 2. 2 or 5. This box cannot be a 1 because I need a 1 in one of those two boxes, so it must be the 2. This should be the 1. If a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be the 5. We have a 5 here. These two boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Here the 1 and the 3 are left. The 1 and the 3. Here we have a 1. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be the 1. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1 and this should be the 3. We have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. We have a 3 here. This cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be the 3. We have a 5 here. These two boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This should be the 1. We have a 1 here. This cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 1. This should be the 2. This box cannot be a 1. Should be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, it's a 2. Definitely. This box 2 or 4. We have a 2 here, so this should be the 4. Those two boxes are the 5 and the 3. Let me mark them for you. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about... Yeah, these two boxes cannot be a 2. We have a 2 here. And I cannot place the 2 here. I need a 2 in one of those two boxes. 2 should be here. 2 boxes left. 1, 2, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then we have a 3 here. These two boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes here. And the 2 goes in there. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 5 are left. We have a 3 here, so this should be the 5. This should be the 3. Finished in 15 minutes exactly. Yes. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. I will see you Monday. Have a great weekend. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Thank you and bye bye.